In this video, I'll guide you through how to import a Git repository into Vercel step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your code from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket and get it ready to deploy on Vercel. First, open your browser and go to the Vercel website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account or create one if you're new to the platform. Having an account is essential because your projects and deployments will be tied to it. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Vercel dashboard, which is where all your existing projects and settings live. From here, look for the option that lets you add something new. This is usually a button labeled Add New or similar, often located near the top right of the dashboard. Click that button. This is the starting point for creating anything new in Vercel, including projects that are based on Git repositories. After clicking Add New, you'll see several choices. For this tutorial, you want to create a new project, so select the option labeled Project. This tells Vercel that you're about to set up a new application or site that it can build and deploy for you. When you choose project, Vercel will guide you into the project creation flow. On the project creation screen, you'll see a section dedicated to importing from Git. This is where you'll be working. Vercel is built to work closely with Git-based workflows, so instead of uploading files manually, you connect your Git repository and let Vercel handle the rest. Find the area that mentions Import Git Repository. This is where you'll begin linking your Git provider. Now you'll see options to connect with different Git platforms. Typically, you can continue with GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Click the provider where your repository is hosted. For example, if your code is on GitHub, click Continue with GitHub. The same applies if you're using GitLab or Bitbucket. When you click your provider, you may be redirected to authorize Vercel to access your Git account. This is normal and required, so Vercel can read your repositories and set up automatic deployments. Take a moment to review the permissions, then confirm or authorize the connection. If you've already connected that provider before, Vercel might skip this step and go straight to showing your repositories. Once the connection is made, Vercel will list the repositories available under that Git provider. From here, you would normally choose which repository to import, but in this guide, we're focusing specifically on reaching the point where you can select GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket and start that import process. As a quick recap, you go to the Vercel website, open your dashboard, click Add New, select Project, move to the Import Git Repository section, and then choose to continue with GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. That's all you need to do to get ready to import your Git repository into Vercel and prepare it for deployment.